Hello, my name is RASGE Storms, and I want to welcome you to my video. Today we're going to explore something that I found on my camera several years ago. Before we get started, I want to do a quick disclaimer. First, this is not my normal content. If you subscribe to this channel, you will see lots of things like weather related and storm chasing, because storm chasing is my hobby, and this is just something I'm doing out of boredom. I'm not making any claims. I'm not jumping on any bandwagons or anything like that. I simply set my camera up and this is what it recorded. I'm not part of any groups or organizations or anything like that. I don't even like being political, so don't think that I'm trying to push something or anything like that. And this is the date and the camera that I used for filming. And this not so handsome fella right there is me. I'm just setting up my camera in the middle of a field, and I eventually just drive away and go try to get the storm on a different angle. This is not like a major storm or anything. It's not even severe warned. It's just a regular thunderstorm, and I was trying to capture some lightning video. That was the objective. So let me give you kind of an idea of what's going on. We got the storm obviously at the top. There's a state route that drives down through the middle. Little dirt road, not dirt, look like chip and seal on the right there. On the opposite side of that, there is a small farm. About this time, I gave up on setting up my camera and I walk across the street, get in my car, and drive away. And then this is in real time. A second, you'll see the first thing that my camera captures. Look at the top left of the screen. What was that? I don't know. Probably just a meteor. Pretty cool though. The next thing though was several minutes later, so I'm just gonna chop this down, and I have no idea what this is, but you be the judge, and then tell me what you think it is in the comments. Did you see it? Here it is slowed down. I took a couple of screen grabs. In the lightning flash, you can definitely see something flying. At the top left, you can see something enter the screen. I circled it here. It's very hard to see. After the lightning flash is over, you can't see anything. There's a streak of light that moves across the screen, and then another lightning flash happens, and this is when you can see the object flying away in the distance. What do you think it was? I have no idea. But I would love to hear everybody's thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into storm chasing, weather, or any of that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. I tried to put out as much as possible. I'm extremely bored right now, so I'll be putting out more stuff than normal. And chasing is here, so I'll be storm chasing and I'll be live on Twitch for that as well.